Hello everyone, I am your host Ayushi Karasetia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to send Razorpay payment details on Slack channel automatically. So let's take an example that you are a business owner and you are using Razorpay to collect your business payments. Now you want that whenever you receive a payment through your Razorpay payment link, automatically your team should receive a message on the Slack channel that a payment is received from the customer. For this, we need to create a connection between Razorpay and Slack so that whenever the payment is captured, automatically a message is sent on the Slack channel. So in order to create an integration between Razorpay and Slack, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating both these software applications automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So first we have to create an integration between Razorpay and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect is going to capture all the details of the payment whenever the payment is made, the details of the payment as well as the details of the customers. And using those details, automatically a message will be sent on the Slack channel that a payment has been received. And in this way, we are going to create an integration between Razorpay and Slack using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to Products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option and you will get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Razorpay to Slack integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want to send Razorpay payment details to Slack channel automatically. For that, open this trigger window and here in the choose application, let us find Razorpay. In the trigger event, we have to select payment captured. Now here we can see a webhook URL and some steps or instructions are mentioned. So by following these instructions, we can set up the webhooks in the Razorpay account. So I'll simply copy this webhook URL from here. I'll take you to my Razorpay account. So this is my Razorpay dashboard. Here when we scroll down, at last we can find the settings option. Click on settings. Here we can find the webhooks option. Click on webhooks. Now here we are going to add a new webhook. For that, come to this plus sign and click on add new webhook. Now here we have to paste the webhook URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select the active events. So I am selecting the event as payment captured. So whenever the payment will be captured, then only this particular trigger is going to run. Okay, and let's click on create webhook. Webhook saved successfully. Okay. Let's move to Pabbly Connect and here we can see that it is waiting for the webhook response. So in order to capture the response, we have to do a test submission. It means we have to make a payment on the name of a customer. So I'll just take you to my Razorpay account and here I have already created some payment pages. Let's have a look on them. So here I'm just going to use this core PHP programming payment page. Let's copy the URL and I'll open it in a new tab over here. So this is my Razorpay payment page for the core PHP programming. And we are going to fill up the details over here on the name of a new customer. Let's select the course as core PHP programming. Here we have to give the first name. Let us give it as Shikha. Last name as Arya. Email address shikhaarya22@gmail.com. Okay, and let's add the mobile number. Okay, so we have entered the details. Let's click on pay. Here I am selecting the payment method as card payment. I am entering the test card details over here. Okay, and let's click on pay. Okay, the payment is getting processed over here. Okay, and here we can see that the payment is successful. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see the responses received. So when we scroll down, here we can find the event as payment captured. Okay, and when we scroll down over here, we can find the details of the customer. Here we can find the email address, the contact number, the course which the customer has purchased, first name, last name. So now we want that using these details of the customer, automatically a message should be sent on the Slack channel. For that, come to this action window. Here in the choose application, let us find Slack. In the action event, we have to select a send channel message. Click on connect. Click on add new connection and click on connect with Slack. Now it is asking for the token type. Let us read the instructions. Enter the token type as either user or bot. Know more about the Slack tokens over here. So if you want to know more about the Slack tokens over here, we have to just click on HERE here, and it will take us to the all the different permissions which can be used by the user as well as the bot. Okay. So in my case, I am selecting the token type as user over here, and let's click on save. Okay, now Pabbly Connect is requesting permission to access the Pabbly Connect Slack workspace. So let's click on allow. Authorization successful, and now the Slack account is connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Slack account. So make sure before creating a connection, you are logged into your Slack account. Now here we have to select the channel name. So I'll just take you to my Slack account. So this is my Slack account where I have already created some channels. So if you want to create a new channel, click on this plus sign, add channels, and here you can create a new channel as per your requirement. Okay, and you can add the participants or your team members. Now I have already created a channel name, that is Razorpay Sales over here. So I want all this message notifications to be displayed on this particular channel over here. Okay, so let us select the same channel, that is Razorpay Sales over here in Pabbly Connect. So I'm just going to refresh it for the new items. Okay, and here I'm just going to search for the Razorpay Sales channel. Now here we have to give the message. What is the message we want to send? So I want the message to be, hello team, we have received a new payment on Razorpay. Customer details are name, email address, phone number and product. So here I'm just going to map all the details of the customer which we have received from the Razorpay payment over here. So we are going to map all these details now. Okay, I'm just going to map them one by one. Let us map the name from Razorpay, and the name was Shikha Arya. Let us find the name. Okay, we have to map the first name and after that the last name also, and the last name was Arya. Okay, after that we have to map the email address. So let us map it from Razorpay once again, and the email address was this one. Okay, here we have to map the phone number. So let us map it from Razorpay, and this was the phone number. And here we have to map the product name. So the product name was Core PHP Programming. So in this way, the message will be delivered to the team members on our Slack channel. Okay. If you want to map the image URL, you can map it over here. If you want to give image all text, okay. And if you want to give the bot name, bot icon, you can give it over here. I'm just giving the bot name as Razorpay. Okay. And here we have to select the auto expand links as true. Pass false to disable unfurling of media content. If pass true, Slack will try to automatically expand links in the message. Okay, And here we are going to select the link username and channel names as true and reply broadcast as false. Okay, and let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received. It means a new message is sent on the Slack channel. Let us check it. Okay, and here we can see a new message. Hello team, we have received a new payment on Razorpay. Customer details are name, Shikha Arya, email address, phone number and the product name. So here the name is coming in the next line just because I might have given an enter over here. So I'll just, yes, I'm just going to remove that extra space. Okay. And whenever the message is going on the next time, it won't take the space. Okay. So the name will be in the same line itself. So in this way, we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now we have to check this in the real time, whether our integration is working in the real time or not. So I'm just going to my Razorpay payment page once again, and here I'm just going to refresh the link so that I can make a new payment on the name of another customer. Let us select the course name. This time I'm just going to give the first name as Kuldeep, last name as Jan, email address as jank11@gmail.com. Let's add the mobile number. Okay, and let's pay it. Let's select the payment method as card. Okay, I'm giving the test card details over here. The payment is getting processed. Okay, and here we can see the payment is successful. Now we have to check our Slack channel. And here we can see a new message. Hello team, we have received a new payment on Razorpay. Customer details are name, Kuldeep Jain, email address, phone number and the product name. Here we can see that the name is in the same line itself in front of the name. Okay. So in this way we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. And let's move back to Pabbly Connect. I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between Razorpay and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the payment, the name of the customer, all the payment details of the customer, the product which the customer has purchased. And using those details, automatically a message is sent on the Slack channel to your team that a new payment has been received. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between Razorpay and Slack using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can connect us to this Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video and this video are helpful for you, then please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.